Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Everything Festive for this cute little Christmas card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Everything Festive once more, and we're going to be using this sentiment right here. And this is a very simple card. It comes together so fast. Okay, so this is the Feels Like Frost Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I have the Silvery Shimmer, and then I have my stamp mounted on clear block D. And we want to make sure that that is good and inked up. And I'm going to put it right here in the bottom right-hand corner. So just like that. And that is all the stamping we're doing. I have a piece of purple POSY, and this is going to be our mat. So I'm going to put that down with some SNAIL adhesive. And our mat piece is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to come in with my silver edge metallic ribbon. And we're just going to put this across just to dress it up a little. Alright, and I'll put some more adhesive on the back of this. Let's raise that just a tad. And then our card base is Seascape, and it is cut at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, or by 11, and it's scored at 5 1/2. All right, so there is that. I'm also going to come in with my metallic pearls. So these come in silver and gold in the pack, so I just want to dazzle it a bit and bring out that silver. Alright, I think that looks good. So there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below.